It's your boy, King Canva. Yo, I want some of you to start believing in yourself, okay? It's a mindset change, okay? I need you to believe in yourself, okay? Once you get it right here, all right, with the skills that you are learning with Canva through these videos, you can then take them skills and make some money. That's what it's about, okay? Make money from home, all right? Get more time in with your kids. Get more time in with yourself, okay? So today, all right, this is a whole nother different lane. All right, I'm gonna show you. Got my friend here, Hit Play Beats, and he's going to show you how to make mixtape covers. That's right, mixtape covers. Because then you can take them same skills and go to Fiverr and go to Upworks or go wherever and say that, yo, I can make your album or your mixtape cover. Okay, with Canva, make money. All right, it's your boy, King Canva.
Hey, what's up? My name is HitPlay of hitplaybeats.com, and my goal is to help provide rappers with the knowledge they're going to need in order to turn their dreams into their careers. So if you're a serious rapper, make sure you go ahead and you hit that subscribe button down below, and you click the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. Also, if you like any of the music you hear in the background of this video, I'll have direct links to each of my beats listed in the description below. All right, so let's go ahead and jump onto the computer and get started. All right, so we're on the computer, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that I'm not making a specific style of mixtape cover. This video is just going to be showing you how to basically use the free resource that I'm going to show you to make mixtape covers and maybe some other things in the future, but this is just the mixtape cover video. But if you want to request mixtape covers or specific styles or specific things, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and we can go ahead and probably make a whole series about doing this. But for the first two steps to making your own mixtape cover for free using this free resource, you need to go to Google, which is step one, and type in canva.com. And then the second step after that is going to be making your own profile with Canva, which is free. Okay, and once you sign up and make an account with Canva, you're going to be greeted to a screen that looks very similar to this. As you can see down here, they have all kinds of different templates for social media, poster, Facebook covers, flyers, all kinds of stuff like that. But what we're going to be interested in is going to be doing step 3 and typing in the bar CD cover. All right, so once you go ahead and click on the CD cover tab, you're going to be presented with a screen that looks like this. You can either start from scratch right here, and the cool thing with Canva is you can upload your own images and assets to use on your own in your own mixtape covers or any other social media images or anything like that. The other cool thing is that you can click on a template and you can use, they have free templates. They also have paid templates. I'm going to start with a paid template to show you how you don't have to pay for them, but they have free templates and paid for templates. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this Nightingale Illusions. Yes, Nightingale Illusions template. Once I click on it, it'll be brought into the canvas right here. And as you can see, it's got different markings on the back, which shows that this is a paid for image. And it's just the image that's in the back that you would have to pay for. All right, and so this is kind of step 5, which is going to be customizing one of these templates to kind of fit your desired aesthetic or whatever you're trying to go for. So what you can do is if you click on one of the paid ones and you like the image in the back, or maybe you just like the design and the layout of the text or like whatever else is on it, what you can do now is you can go to another website, which is called unsplash.com. Now, I'm not sure once you're on Unsplash if you have to make an account before you can download images. If not, you can just go through here, hit search, and you can download like royalty-free stock images that photographers from all over the world are taking. So if we go back to our mixtape cover, we see that this looks like a beach at night. So what I can do is I can go back over to Unsplash and I can type in beach at night. And then we're going to be presented with a bunch of options that we can pick from. And so what we can do is we can look and see if there's anything that looks similar to what that image was or something completely different as well. I think I'm going to go with this one because it's kind of darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this little button right here. It's going to ask if I want to thank the photographer. You don't have to if you don't want to. So you click X. But what you can do is once it's downloaded, you go and you hit upload, and then it'll appear right here. I've already done this before. And then what you can do is if you want to use your own photo, you go ahead and you drag it to the bottom corner right here, let it go, and it'll replace the image that was in the back. From here, you have a couple of options. You can replace the text just by double clicking, highlighting, and replacing text as normal. If you click on the picture, there's a couple things you can do. If you click on filter, they have like Instagram style filters, so it'll change the look of the image that you select. I'm not going to do that because I gave my computer a heart attack last time I did this, so we're not going to do that. But then the other thing you can do is you can click on this adjust tab, and then you get all these sliders that you can mess with, and this is going to affect the photo. So if you need to be able to see your text more, you can just drop the brightness of the image down and you'll be able to see text better. You can change the color and like the tint of the image. So like maybe this like yellow kind of looks cool, right? They have this X process knob, which I don't really understand what all it does, but this is kind of like colorizing the image. So you can go to like green, or you can go to like a darker blue, and that looks kind of cool right there. I can't see the text very well because of the white wave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the brightness a little bit more, and I still can't really see it very well. So what I think I'm going to do is I can click on these, and if I hold shift, will it let me select all of them? It will. So if you hold shift and click, it'll let you select all of them. And then you can move this to where you can read it better. And it has guidelines to where, you know, it'll help you keep everything in the center. But I'm just gonna kind of put it centered in that box right there. And I can see it better if I do that right there, so I can see the waves and everything. But again, you might have to play around with it and just kind of see like what you can do and what you like. Then the last step, which is kind of something, I guess it's step 6, but it's optional only if you like curse. So if you curse in your song, you need to put the parental advisory stamp on it. You can go ahead and download that from Google. And so you just want to type in parental advisory PNG, and you'll get a ton of options that come up. You want to make sure you get a large image. If I scroll down here, I think I got one. Yeah, I have this one right here. So I can just drag and drop this. Don't drop it over here. It'll replace the background. I'm just going to drag it over here. It'll replace right there. It'll layer on top of it like that. Shrink it down till it's an appropriate size, and then just kind of either put it in the corner or put it down below or wherever you want to put it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And there you go. This is a mixtape cover ready to go. You can hit download right here. Download as a PNG. It'll download it to your computer. Once you do that, you can upload it to like DistroKid or Apple Music, or like however you're going to distribute your song. All right, so real quick, I just made this in about 2 to 3 minutes. Probably not the best example, but this is just going to be like a demo of like what you can do. Super simple, super basic. If you want to change the text, you can go over to where this little part is, like you click on like whatever, and you'll see that that changes. That's the font. So if you want to change different fonts, you can just kind of see what they got, pick whichever one you want. And then, yeah, you bounce this out, and this will be your mixtape cover.
It's your boy King Canva. Yo, thank you, Hit Play Beats. We needed that tutorial. I hope you guys got a lot out of it. Like I said, all you got to do is just take what's given to you, what's being shown, and you figure out how you going to go ahead and get these dollar signs like I got right here, how you going to get them in your pocket. You dig what I'm saying? Canva Fiverr, Canva Upworks, Canva Etsy. It's ways to stay home and make money, okay? All right? So now you can take these mixtape skills and you can do your thing, all right? Now you got another skill. I'm just trying to give you the game. It's up to you how you use it. It's your boy King Canva.